morning. How are you all? Today we are planning to play Have You Ever Seen the Rain from Pendulum album. This is one of our favorites, and today we have our guest, small guest, who would like to sing this song. So we have Trinesh here to sing the song. Can you join in, Trinesh? Say hello to our viewers.
Hello.
So please like, subscribe and share the video. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much, viewers.